Mesmerizing world of ancient Egypt, where the iconic pyramids of Giza stand as timeless sentinels of history. Our journey begins with the Great Pyramid of Giza, the oldest and largest of the trio, built over 4,500 years ago for Pharaoh Khufu. Imagine the sheer effort of constructing this colossal structure with 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing several tons. We marvel at the Pyramid of Khafre, which, though slightly smaller, appears taller due to its elevated foundation. Nearby, the enigmatic Great Sphinx, with its lion's body and human face, guards the secrets of the past. We explore the Pyramid of Menkaure, the smallest yet equally fascinating, offering a glimpse into the unfinished artistry of ancient builders. Join us as we unravel the mysteries and marvels of these architectural wonders, each stone whispering tales of a bygone era. On this incredible journey through the wonders of ancient Egypt, we put a lot of effort into creating this content, and we hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us and helps us grow as a new channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and thank you for being part of our community.